Best side hustles from home for beginners in 2026. Most beginners do not choose a bad side hustle. They choose one that looks exciting for 2 days and becomes impossible by week 2. In 2026, the real winner is not the hustle with the loudest income promise. It is the one you can start from home, learn fast, and keep doing without building a complicated system first. And the option that usually wins is not the flashiest one. What actually makes a side hustle beginner friendly? For a beginner, the best side hustles from home usually have 3 things in common. They let you start with a clear skill, they do not require a huge setup, and they give you a simple way to improve after the first few attempts. That is why some ideas sound easier than they really are, while others feel slow at first but become much more realistic once you understand the format. In other words, the best beginner side hustle is usually the one with the cleanest path to a first small win. Option 3. Online tutoring with a simple starting. Online tutoring makes the list because it is one of the clearest ways to turn something you already know into income from home. Preply says tutors can decide when and how many hours they want to teach with no minimum time commitment or fixed schedule. Its tutoring pages also say official teacher training is not always required if you know the subject well enough, which makes this option more approachable than many beginners expect. The honest catch is that tutoring still depends on showing up live. That means it is flexible but not fully passive, and your energy matters more than people think. So this is a strong choice if you are comfortable talking with people and explaining things clearly, but less ideal if you want something you can build quietly in the background. Option 2. Selling digital products from home. Digital products move up because they fit home-based work extremely well. Etsy's help pages say digital listings can be sold as instant downloads or made-to-order downloads, which gives beginners more than one way to start. That makes this side hustle appealing for templates, printables, guides, planners, or simple creative assets that do not require you to be online every time someone buys. The trade-off is patience. This model often feels slower at the beginning because you need a product people actually want, and Etsy also says digital items in your store must be made or designed by you. So it is beginner friendly, but only if you are ready to create something useful instead of expecting instant momentum. Option 1. Freelancing with one focused service. For most beginners in 2026, freelancing is still the best overall side hustle from home. The reason is simple. It lets you start with one skill, one offer, and one client instead of building a full business right away.
Upwork says freelancers can bid for jobs, pitch projects, and get discovered by recruiters, while Fiverr is built around creating a clear service offer through a gig.
Fiverr's own guidance even recommends starting with just one gig and focusing on that service first. That combination is what gives freelancing the edge. You can begin small, improve fast, and adjust your offer once real clients respond. It is not effortless, and the first wins may take a little time, but compared with most beginner side hustles, it gives the cleanest bridge from basic skill to real paid work from home. The best choice if you are starting now. So the best side hustle from home for beginners in 2026 is usually not the one that sounds the smartest in theory. Online tutoring is great if you enjoy live interaction. Digital products are strong if you want something that can keep working after the setup, but freelancing is the best overall choice because it gives beginners the most direct path to a first paid result without needing a huge system, a big audience, or a long wait to see whether the idea works. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.